3 teams from all over Tennessee competing today. The Tennessee Junior Chef Championship going on here. It's really incredible watching these kids. They've got skills, that's for sure.
And we made chicken and we wrapped it in Cinnamon Toast Crunch. The experience is amazing. Like, just have fun.
Yeah, some things I'm looking for is, are we treating the ingredients properly? Are we sanitized properly? Do they understand the components? Are they putting them together correctly? And then ultimately, what's it look and taste like? I always encourage people to join this industry. Bringing people together at a table, feeding and nourishing their bodies, minds, and souls is probably the most important job I could think of.
It's always quality over quantity, because that's kind of like looking at yourself. The quality of yourself, you take pride in yourself, you take pride in your food.
I mean, it's great to win, but I had more fun just being here. It's amazing.